Honorable Chief Guest, Chairman, Bangladesh University Grants Commission of Bangladesh, former Vice Chancellor of Dhaka University, former Chairman of Public Service Commission, and my teacher, Professor Dr. S.M.A. Faiz. Honorable Guest of Honor, respected Senior Secretary, Ministry of Education, People's Republic of Bangladesh Government, and Honorable Member of Board of Governors of Bangladesh Open University, Mr. Siddiq Zubair, respected special guest here present, Professor Dr. M. Shamsher Ali, my honorable teacher, classroom teacher, and he is now the Professor Emeritus and Founder Vice Chancellor of Bangladesh Open University. Respect here connected online, respected keynote speaker, Dr. B. Sadrak, Director, Commonwealth Education Media Center for Asia, SEMCA, and Commonwealth of Learning. And also Nabila connected here from Commonwealth of Learning. Honorable Vice Chancellor Academic, Professor Dr. Dilor Sanjinatar Nazneen, and also Honorable Professor Chancellor, Professor Said Firdaus. Here in the audience, we have respected guests, esteemed colleagues, Honorable Treasurer, Honorable Registrar of Bangladesh Open University. We have two speakers, one from NSDA, National Skill Development Authority, Additional Secretary and also member of the NSDA, Ms. Arif Rudaba, and another speaker from IUT, Professor Dr. Shahadat Hussain, and also our media personalities, other guests. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. I would like to welcome you all to this consultation workshop on blended technical and vocational education and training, TVET. I would like to speak in two perspectives. Firstly, I should brief the initiative and plans taken by BOU to promote TVET in Bangladesh, and secondly, some other parts also. See, after my joining, I took some initiative we took the initiative. Here, we tried to make some plan for providing vocational education to NEET people. NEET means not in education, employment and training, supported by Youth Ministry, Ministry of Youth, and also supported by World Bank. We have some MOU recently to give the training. So I would like to inform you that we are going to launch a vocational program for the 8th graders. That means they will start from class 9. They are in fact NEET, as I told before, NEET people. The World Bank is financing the project, and this is a cross-ministry program because we are doing that with the Ministry of Sports and Youth. Our target is to provide vocational education to 1 lakh NEET students, and they will get the SSC in vocational courses. Recently, we also had some MOU 2 days before with NSDA, as I told before, National Skill Development Authority. That is, we are going to establish some program with NSDA to give the skill, to development the skill to the people, those who are unskilled and some other unemployment students or people. And one more MOU is under process with UNICEF. That is the process. We have to go for the MOU to give them vocational training. And recently, you will be happy to know that on 3 days after, on 8th, there is a meeting with Information Ministry, along with Bangladesh Sangshod's Secretary Sachibalay, we are going to establish we are going to do some MOU to get a that is for getting Sangshod television or Parliament television to broadcast the our educational channel, to get the educational channel for all the people, those who are also debate and other purposes. This already we have some programs in BOU, the certificate in livestock and poultry, certificate in pisciculture, diploma in computer science and applications, certificate in preliminary Chinese language, certificate in English language proficiency, certificate in Arabic language proficiency. Also have some upcoming academic programs, Bachelor of Vocational and Training Technical Education, certificate in Poultry Management, Bachelor in Youth Development, certificate in Fruits and Vegetable Processing, certificate in Caregiving Management, certificate in Parenting. Also, we are planning to again re-establish the course that is Bachelor in Nursing. So that is the upcoming project. So we are planning to establish an institute of vocational education and training to offer courses through blended mode of education delivery, and it will be discussed in workshop in the afternoon session. As I told before, we have to speak something here. It is my honor and privilege to chair today's session, where we gather as a community of educators, policymakers, industry leaders, and development partners with a shared commitment to enhance the relevance, accessibility, and quality of TVET through innovative and blended learning models. I would like to share on why this workshop is organized. This workshop on stakeholder consultation on blended TVET in Bangladesh has arranged to initiate a structured national dialogue on interesting blended learning approaches into the TVET. The workshop aims to assess existing gaps, identify opportunities, and generate practical recommendations for strengthened policy frameworks, institutional capacity building, and industry linkages. As you know that the world of work is undergoing rapid transformation, digitalization, automation, and global interconnectivity are reshaping industries. These changes demand a TVET system that is not only responsive but also resilient. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the need for flexible learning approaches, and blended TVET has emerged as a powerful response, combining the strengths of both online and hands-on practical learning. This workshop brings together a diverse array of stakeholders, educators, industry leaders, policymakers, and community representatives. Your collective expertise and insights are invaluable as we seek to align our education and training systems with the dynamic needs of the labor market. By fostering dialogue and collaboration, we aim to develop strategies that ensure our TVET programs are not only responsive to current demands but also anticipatory of future trends. As we deliberate today, let us remember that our ultimate goal is to empower individuals with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. Through blended learning, we have the potential to reach the learners in even the most remote areas, providing them with quality education that transcends geographical and socio-economic barriers. In closing, I would like to encourage open and honest dialogue throughout the working session of the workshop. The outcomes of today's consultation will shape policies and strategies that impact learners, institutions, and the broader workforce ecosystem. Together we can forge a path towards a more inclusive, innovative and effective TVET system. Let us make this count. I would like to mention here that presentations on 3 themes will be consulted in the next session. These are National Skills Development Policy and its funding by Ms. Alif Rudaba, as I told before, member NSDA. And the second one will be Blended TVET, Bangladesh Open University Strategies and Future Plan by Professor Abul Hassan Mamdi Shamim. He is the Treasurer and Dean of School of Agriculture and Rural Development, Bangladesh Open University. I should mention, because the audience will be, our guest will leave after the meeting, so I should mention here something regarding our policy. After the, we are here, the insightful presentation from Professor Shamim on blended TVET, BOU strategies and future plan. I would like to sincerely endorse our plan, his thoughtful remarks, which reflect the critical direction our university must take and aligning technical and vocational education and training with 21st century skills, national needs and global demands. His presentation will be highlighted how BOU is positioned to empower learners across all corners of the country, and TVET through a blended approach focuses on lifelong learning opportunities, emphasis on skill, not just certifying, but is a wake-up call for all of us in academia and policy. I particularly appreciate that call for micro-credentials, hands-on training, industry-aligned programs, and a stronger focus on women's participation in TVET. As Vice Chancellor of Bangladesh Open University, I assure you that we remain committed in our promise to expanding TVET offering. We aim to produce not only graduates, but skilled global citizens who can compete and contribute effectively both at home and abroad. And third one will be TVET industry linkage. We need to know how the industry is working. So our graduates will go for internship in industry. So third will be industry linkage for a future workforce, strengthening partnerships for meeting the challenges of fourth industrial revolution by Professor Dr. Shahadat Hussain Khan. He is the former chairman, Department of Technical and Vocational Education, Islamic University of Technology. Then I would like to take a moment to thank Honorable Chief Guest, my teacher, Professor Dr. S.M.A. Faiz, our guest of honor, our Secretary, Senior Secretary of Ministry of Education, Mr. Siddiq Zubair, special guest, and my our Professor Shamsha Ali, my teacher, and also all the participants, all contributors who made this consultation possible. A special thanks goes to Dr. B. Sadrak, Director of Semka Coal. Without his support, it would be quietly impossible to organize this workshop. So I would like to, I am very grateful to Dr. Sadrak for his kind support, and in the future, I would like to seek his support to expand our TVET program. Sadrak has kindly extended his hand to finance this valued event. Your efforts are not only appreciated, they are essential for the progress we aim to achieve. I would like to thank our two Vice Chancellors, our registrar, and also all the committee members who worked hard to make this event successful. Thank you for your commitment to this endeavor. I look forward to the fruitful exchanges and outcomes in next session that will emerge from our collective efforts. I like to conclude this my speech by saying a slogan: empower yourself, empower Bangladesh, invest in TVET. Thank you all. Thank you very much.